Just imagine, if you were standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
It has been said that as long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Imagination? We got a lot of that around here. Right, Tinkerbell? Oh, atta girl, Tink. Sprinkle your pixie dust. Let's show them just how magical this place can be. Come on, everybody. Here we go.
It's a world where you belong, where you can dream aloud. Your heart will follow.
Get up and sing along. The moment's here and now.
Inside we all know if we believe in the fantasy, it will carry us away, carry us away. You and me making memories today. Step into the magic. Watch the stories come to life. Step into the magic. Every color shines so bright. Step into the magic. Step into the magic.
Come on, matey, step in toward. Step in toward. Step in toward. Rock like a birdie. In time, you step.
All those days watching from the moons, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing just how blind I've been. As I see the light,
And it's like the fog is lifted.
and at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted. All at once, everything is different now that I see you. Now that I see you.
I'm so hungry in my tummy. Time to munch an early lunch and hungry dum dum.
A heffalump or woozle is very unusual. A heffalump or woozle's very sly. They come in ones and twos, but if they so choose.
From the day you arrived on the planet, thinking step into the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. It's the circle of life, every move's a song, through despair and hope, through faith and love, till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle of
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. Oh, Scooby-Doo, I want to be like you. I want to walk like you, talk like you too. You see it's true, and they like me. Can't let you be human too. Here we go now. Under the sea. We just starting in the beginning. It's music to me. What do they got? I got the sun. We got a station band. These little crap, you know how to jump. You're under the
Nemo, newcomer of orange and white, you have been called forth to the summit of Mount Wanahakalungi to join with us in the fraternal bonds of Tango. If you are able to swim through the ring of fire.
Isn't there another way? He's just a boy.
Snows white on the mountain, footwind to be seen. Kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows that I tried. Don't let the midnight
As Walt Disney said, Disneyland will never be complete. And as the future will show us, with enough imagination, it will continue to build and grow on one enduring promise, that all who journey into its magical gates will feel forever young. And the magic, as Walt assured us, will never end.
Turn on your light. Come on and live the magic. So much to find. Come on and live the magic. You wish upon we believe in the fantasy. It will carry us away, carry us away. You and me making memories today. Step into the magic. Watch the stories come to life. Step into the magic. Every color shines so bright. Step into the magic. Step into the magic.
Just think, all of this is yours.